This is a new section of Linux Fundamentals course. As you know, we are over with system commands of Linux in our last lecture. So, starting from this lecture, we are going to learn about hardware commands of Linux. And our first hardware command is dmesg. Dmesg means driver message or display message. This command displays all messages when the system boots up. Let's check it. So, in here, as you see, we have an error, and it says CMPass host controller not enabled. While doing troubleshooting in Linux system, this command helps us to find out and fix RAM, HDD, USB, and other devices, hardware, software related errors and problems. So in here, you can go and troubleshoot your system to find out this problem and fix it. This is how this command stands for. So when we execute the Dmesg command, it reads all kernel ring buffer. And if we go to a man page of the Dmesg command, we can see some information in there. Next commands are Cpuinfo and Mem Info. These commands locate in process directory. Firstly, let's go to Cpuinfo command. To go to this command, type cat process and CPU and press tab button. It will complete full command name for you. And tab button works in all Linux commands, no matter short or long commands. By the way, cat command is used for information while going to directories. Put in /. Cat does not read data only, it does a lot, and we'll talk about cat in our next lessons. So let's press enter, and in here you can see a lot information about CPU. Another command is Meminfo. Meminfo means memory info and displays more information about hardware memory by total and free space. Like CPU, in here we'll go through by typing cat process and type mem, press tab, Meminfo, and press enter. As you see, information about memory. Total memory, free memory, available memory, buffers, cached, swap cached, active, inactive, and so on. Alternative to this command, we can type free-m command to see the same results in a short window. So in here we have total 1800 and swap 2047 and so on. In here, as you see, those information, and you have to convert by yourself to find out about these numbers. To make it human readable, we can add free-m-h or free-h. So both commands display the same result. And comparing to above result, this result is human readable. Like memory, total memory we have 1.8 GB, but here it's not showing. And here swap 2.0 GB, but here it's not showing. So this is the end of our lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.